PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann with our Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 5th day of December. And we've got a fairly quiet weather pattern here, and that's not good because we need rain around here. Let's go right to some graphics. We'll begin with some Skycam images this morning coming from the ABC 3340 Skycam network. Boy, that's nice. The lights there decorated out in downtown Clanton. In fact, I will be there Friday night as the Grand Marshal of the Christmas Parade. A lot of friends down in Chilton County. That'll be a lot of fun. Here's a look at the lights of the city of Gadsden coming from the Skycam up in Etowah County and from the Wingate Inn, our Skycam overlooking U.S. Highway 280 in North Shelby County. Traffic very light at this insane hour of the day. Around the nation, we've got a northwest flow aloft here. A clipper is moving through that northwest flow coming through the Great Lakes. That's produced some nice snow up there. In fact, here's a look at the 3-day snowfall around the country from NCDC. And if you're looking for some snow on the ground, that's where you'll find it. A really nice snow cover through parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin. Chicago picked up a few inches of snow overnight, and New England white with snow. And down here, can't find a flake, though, and we're not going to find any snow for a while and probably no rain for a while, and that's not good. Temperatures this morning, brutally cold up north. Look at that cold air dipping down into the northern United States from Canada. Readings about 10 below zero up on the Canadian border near International Falls, Minnesota. And pretty cold down here. Temperatures are at or below freezing in many areas. But notice the warmer air off to the west. And we will see a big warm up here by Friday and the weekend. QPF map, looking for rain. I don't think we're going to find much over the next 5 days. This is valid through Sunday evening. Heaviest rain of all places in Arizona. And, of course, a lot of that's going to come down as snow as the mountains. That's going to be a major winter storm for the southern Rockies Friday and Saturday out west. And we'll be watching that thing carefully. Let's go to the model output. This is the 06Z GFS, valid at noon today. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. There's your clipper there coming through the Great Lakes. And at the surface, the snow with that at midday today will be over places like Columbus, Ohio, Pittsburgh, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Philadelphia. But around here, we stay dry. Tomorrow, a reinforcing shot of cool, dry air drops in here, so while we'll probably reach the low 60s today, we'll drop back to the mid-50s tomorrow. And then Friday, a southerly wind kicks in. We'll start to warm up nicely. We're talking low 60s on Friday. Our big storm cranks up out west. And again, that's going to be a very interesting one for the western part of the nation with heavy rain for the low elevations and big-time snows for the mountains. Saturday, look at the upper level pattern out there. It's a whopper of a trough out west. We are under ridging. Surface chart on Saturday, I think we stay dry. Upper 60s, going to get awfully mild. Sunday, no big change. The trough goes nowhere. We will be probably in the low 70s on Sunday. We're just going to stay with this level because it tells the story. There's Monday of next week. Look at the 588 circle over the Gulf. Tuesday of next week, the ridge expands. I mean, we might be talking record highs Tuesday of next week. And the trough hangs back over the southwest United States. Wednesday, the trough begins to lift out in pretty sharp fashion, but again, the ridge holds down here. So more than likely, we stay dry through Wednesday. And then finally, Thursday of next week, what's left of that thing passes way north of here. And a little band of showers will try and work down through here, but that's just not much at all. So very discouraging from the rain perspective here. But again, the GFS is very consistent on advertising a much better event on the 16th of December. And you can see the trough to the west at the surface. Got a surface low winding up near, Newton, Mississippi. And boy, doesn't that look nice if this happens to be correct. And the model, again, has been very persistent in this. And the next day, the surface low deepens just off the Carolina coast, a major nor'easter. That would suggest a major snowstorm for places like maybe Raleigh-Durham and up into Washington, D.C., and a little bit of wraparound moisture here. So that's our next hope for beneficial rain around December 16th. And at the end of the cycle on the 20th of December, 5 days before Christmas, pretty fast zonal flow across the country, a trough back in the southwest, and that looks pretty quiet, and we'll just have to wait and see on that. That's it for the Morning Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on our blog. We'll have, of course, another video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.